In terms of tradition, this is just something I evolved really. It started off processing crab, 2006. Then I bought a boat so I could become a fisherman, which is what I love doing. And then the shop came about, so all of a sudden we're in the fishing game, the picking game, and now dealing with the public. But in terms of traditions, no, I'm the start. It's also really nice to be supporting a lot of local artists here, from ceramics to artwork. Yeah, it really is nice to fill our walls and shelves with some really cracking produce. The whole reason I set up the shop was to have this European cafe vibe where I can see my dad and family and friends and all of the community sitting outside having a drink, enjoying the sun. And then in the winter and the autumn months when the tourists aren't really here, most of our custom is the local community. So it's great. I love being open 12 months of the year, so it is good then. The Crab and Lobster is available all year round because we're quite a small business, small setup, so not after tonnage. So I can usually catch enough throughout the winter months, even if the weather's poor. And then come summer, when spider crabs are available, then we'll offer that in the shop as well. But mainly the Crab and Lobster is 12 months of the year. The business is kind of a labour of love, so you've got to be passionate about it. And I catch most of the shellfish from Little Haven itself. And yeah, it's an honour to catch it less than a mile away from the shop, cook it half a mile up the road, and then offer it to the public. So yeah, it's pretty simple really. It's quite an honest shop in that sense. It really is local produce.